Welcome back to Learn Audio Basics. My name is Tony, and today we're talking about 5 microphones that will not break your bank as a creator. So let's get started. Now, as a creator myself and a person who grew up moving all over the place, I know what it's like to be at the beginning of a new journey quite often. I have been at the beginning of a new journey more times than I could count, and it really helps to have somebody with insight who's been there before you who can help you out. So let's get started. First up, we have the Boya BYM1 lapel microphone. This microphone is a hardwired lapel mic that you can actually attach to your clothing and have hands-free operation of your microphone. Now, this is a very inexpensive lapel mic. As you may have noticed, the clip actually broke on it, so I've jimmy rigged it with a paper clip. However, it is a solid microphone and it's a way for you to get started. It's very important for you to not let these things hold you back. Even if it's a cheap, inexpensive microphone, that's your way in. So grab that mic and let's go. Next up, we have the Shure SM58 microphone. This is a vocal stage microphone. They are really the workhorse vocal microphone of the industry. And just about anytime you see someone on stage, they're going to be utilizing one of these microphones. I currently do not own one of these microphones, otherwise we'd be able to test it out. However, they are very solid vocal microphones. They work great for voiceover and anything that needs close-up miking, and it can certainly be a great value to you. They are relatively inexpensive, and they are a great way to get started. These microphones are very affordable, and they will last you a lifetime. Next up, we have the sibling of the Shure SM58. This is the Shure SM57 microphone. Now, this is primarily an instrument microphone, but you can utilize it for vocals anytime you'd like. These are really excellent mics for drums, guitar, brass instruments, vocals, anything you can imagine. Especially if you're going to do voiceover, this will work excellent for you. Again, this is very inexpensive, much like its sibling, and is a great way to get started. Next up, we have the Taskar SGC-598 shotgun microphone. This microphone has a cold shoe mount for your digital camera and will plug directly into your camera, much like the previous Boya lapel mic. Now, this is a very inexpensive shotgun microphone, but it will get you started. It'll give you some directionality and allow you to kind of pinpoint a certain area, especially if you've set up a nice little spot. And for the final number 5 microphone, we have the Samson Q2U USB microphone. This is a very affordable USB microphone, and it's a great way to get started. Now, you can use this for voiceover or any kind of podcasting or anything like that. You can certainly just stand here and hold a mic on your video. There's nothing wrong with that. Now, these microphones are plug and play essentially. They have a lot of different options on them, and you can certainly use them for podcasting, voiceover work, standing here talking in a microphone. It's up to you, and whatever your content requires, this will be ready for you. In general, you will have to have some good mic address right on top of this thing, but it is an excellent start, and it's very affordable. I hope this short video will help you in just grabbing a microphone and getting started on your content journey. Once you get the ball rolling, you'll start to see gains in your content as well as your audio. Subscribe for more videos like this and leave a comment down below with the first microphone choice you're going to go with. There's lots of affordable options, so just grab one and get started. This has been Learn Audio Basics. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips in audio. Peace! God, is that everything? I think that's everything. What does the script say? What does it say? That's what I wrote, right? I just want to do a little test recording. It should be enough. Should be good, right? I'm just gonna run with it.